want me to call your phone and I can't get your phone for me. I don't know what you're doing. I'm tired of the people that call me phone. Look how long me tell you say the school fee need to pay. When you come pay school fee. The school fee need to pay. I'm telling you that already. Oh, you mean you can't come? Take the pressure off of me now, man. I can't take it no more. You need to come pay the school fee. Oh, you mean say tomorrow every day the next day? Every time I go down to the school and them in my backbone and not in a year one. Then give me 3 o'clock for pay. You know what time now? And after 2 now. You think me want to come sit down and dance like you? You have to do something. You not bother with me, you know? I'm tired of eating dog, man. Food want in my house all them something there. Hey, Mr. Ali, if you go and mess with me, I will come burn down your house and play with me in a party. No. Me don't want to hear. I don't want to hear. Me don't want to hear that. You don't know what you're doing now? Hey, me not business with that. Want to Western Union? Send it down panny bus, then send it down panny bus. Right now, you know, me can't. Yeah, man, right now, I'm stressed out, right? Right now, I'm stressed out. I can't take a problem right now, Parry. Look here, man. You need to do better. Don't become one of them workless father. Them. Oh, you mean some people go make man my pitney? What kind of thought that? You want man to mind your pitney? What kind of style that? Come off from my phone. Come, you need to, yes, when you pay the school fee, you can call my phone. People, you better believe this. Typical Jamaican workless pooper a depend on them baby mother and other man for mind them pitney. When them are at them should they play the role of them pitney life. And what you know no, when pitney get big and achieve doctor, teacher, soldier, police, anything what them achieve in a life, yeah, that time they want to come play their role. Yeah, look for my daughter, look for my son. My son a doctor, my son a police, yeah. You know watch it to yourself. Play on no part now. Yeah. Believe. Right now, I don't have family court me going on. Because I can't take the pressure down them and go anything or anything. Anything what happen after it happen. Come on for me, fool.